Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm here to invite all of you to the fall Dollar Tree DIY extravaganza, and the rules are that you must be subscribed to the host Regal Designs by Shushana and all the co-hosts. In the description box down below you're gonna find a list with all the names of the ladies co-hosting this challenge. The second rule is that you must mention our channels in the beginning of your video as well as the playlist. The third rule would be that you should mention our channels in your description box and the playlist as well. Our fourth rule would be that you should title your video Fall Dollar Tree DIY Extravaganza 2020. The fifth rule is that you should use the hashtag Fall DIY Extravaganza 2020. The sixth rule would be that the upload date is on Thursday, August 27 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. The seventh rule is that you can do one or two fall themed DIYs, but you must show us how you use this piece to decorate a space. So show us what you do with your DIY. The eighth rule is that the video must be under 15 minutes. Ninth rule is to have fun. I would love to know if you're joining us, so leave me a comment below if you're joining us. If you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, a couple of silly jokes, and seasonal decor, subscribe because that's what I do here. If you're coming from the ladies joining co-hosting this challenge, hello and welcome. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe. So you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.